To locate large intestine 4, look at the back of your left hand. Notice the fold of skin between your thumb and your hand. Press into the tip of that fold towards your hand to find the spot that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is large intestine 4. Activate this point by rubbing it quickly 5 times. Take a break for a count of 5 and repeat 4 more times. It might look like this. Or if you have a SHIN, it might look like this. Now find large intestine 4 in your right hand and repeat.